उसको हमने डिटेन किया है। डिसीजन प्रिवेंटिव डिटेंशन है। अब आप चले जाइएगा।
Okay, there you heard from the police official outside the Chembur police station, in fact, telling us that the MNS chief Raj Thackeray has been detained, and this is a preventive detention. Let's cut across to Kajal, who's been reporting on that story for us. Kajal, then the formal word coming in from the police who say that the MNS chief Raj Thackeray is not yet arrested, he's only been preventively detained.
Yes, that is what the police is telling us right now. Remember, there was a lack of clarity on whether he would be arrested or not, because yesterday Mumbai police had said that they will arrest him if the situation demands so, but preventive detentions had not been ruled out, and already the police had started detaining various MNS workers because they had issued notices under Section 149 to all MNS workers, prominent MNS workers through every single police station here in Mumbai and Thane and Navi Mumbai, and so it was a logical step to go through a preventive detention to prevent Raj Thackeray from reaching the Vashi Toll Naka and creating any law and order situations. Remember, had Raj Thackeray reached the Vashi Toll Naka, there would have been thousands of his supporters who would have gathered there. And despite the fact that Raj Thackeray had openly said that he has advised his cadre not to indulge in any kind of violence, it would have been very difficult for the police to control the crowds once Raj Thackeray had reached there. So this preventive detention was very necessary from the police's point of view.
Absolutely, Kajal, that's important. In fact, you stay with me. Let's also play out this ground report we've got from Ashish, who's been reporting for Vashi from us. In fact, he's telling us of more chaos there by the MNS cadre.
Finally, after several attempts, MNS workers have managed to block the traffic close to Vashi Toll Plaza. There you see, my cameraman can show around 25 to 30 MNS workers have managed to block the traffic. This after several attempts. The Mumbai Police, SRPF and Rapid Action Force have detained more than 500 MNS workers, but despite these numbers, MNS workers have managed to block the traffic here. The basic strategy adopted by MNS workers is they have broken all the street lights of the divider, and street lights, these bamboos and other objects are being used by MNS workers to block the traffic. Now the Mumbai Police, there you see, is struggling to handle the MNS workers. They're somehow trying to manage the traffic around 500 meters away from Vashi Toll Plaza, where more than two companies of SRPF and two companies of SRPF and platoons were deployed at Vashi Toll Plaza. But around 500 meters away from Toll Plaza, the MNS workers have managed to block the traffic. Now, as I mentioned, Mumbai Police is struggling to handle these MNS workers. This bunch of 25 to 30 MNS workers have managed to block traffic around 500 meters away from Vashi Toll Plaza. Now, Mumbai Police has asked for backup support, and SRPF companies and Rapid Action Force, which were deployed at Toll Plaza, are now being sent here. The Mumbai Police is falling short in number here. The location is around 500 meters away from Vashi Toll Plaza. The MNS workers have managed to block the traffic, and the traffic jam has gone up to 200 to 300 meters towards Navi Mumbai. So the Mumbai Police has asked for a backup support from SRPF and Rapid Action Force, and around 300 policemen were deployed at Vashi Toll Plaza, from where the policemen are now being sent at this location. This after several attempts, MNS workers have finally managed to block the traffic. Around half an hour ago, MNS chief Raj Thackeray was detained at Chembur Circle Signal, and quickly after this news spread, the MNS workers decided to sit here at this road which connects from Mumbai to Navi Mumbai, and have finally managed to block one of the routes which connects Mumbai and Navi Mumbai, and have managed to register their protest. This is Sanjay Ranjit, this is Ashish Singh in Mumbai for Times Now.